Good morning, everybody. Fire up the engines. We'll give you some direction here for launch. We're gonna release the VIP teams first, and then after that, we'll get everyone assigned.
So it's day 2 here at the Crown Rally. We're at Hawkeye Downs in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. We're here, they've got a race event going on. They're running some super fast cars around the track and just having a great time checking out these cool cars. Hey everybody, my name is Graham Short. I'm the owner of Bulldog Auto Detailing. We've got 3 locations down in Texas, 2 in Temple, 1 in Waco. I'm accredited through Gtechniq. I just happened to be up in Iowa doing some ceramic coating work for some friends and family and found out about this event. And the guys invited me down and we cleaned up a bunch of cars last night. Just enjoying this great event, and I appreciate you guys having me out.